Students, today we are going to start new chapter 2, that is the Stone Age. Look student, this is a picture of a Stone Age period. Now what is this Stone Age? The Stone Age is a broad prehistoric period during which stone was widely used to make implements. Implements means like tools with a sharp edge or point, and it lasted for 3.4 million years, and it ended between 8400 BCE and 2000 BCE, and it was followed by the Iron Age. Now the Stone Age is further subdivided by the types of stone tools used at the times, and it is divided into 4 periods, that is Paleolithic Age, we can say as Old Stone Age, Mesolithic Age or Middle Stone Age, Neolithic Age or New Stone Age, and Chalcolithic Age or Copper and Stone Age. Now first we will read about Paleolithic Age. See students, this is a picture of a Paleolithic age, or I have told you earlier that we can say this age as Old Stone Age. Now what is this? See, this age lasted from early times till 10,000 BC around to 12,000 years ago. It is also called Old Stone Age. During this period, there was a development of the most primitive stone tools. They gathered plants, fruits, seeds and hunted wild animals, as you see in this picture. They also used tools of wood and bones besides the stone tools. You will see these pictures in your book. They also used wood and bones besides the stone tools, and early human made 2 important discoveries change their life. First, they discovered fire, and second, they invented how to make tools. Now first we will read how they discover fire. Now see, here is a picture of a forest fire. Means they may be knowing about this fire, as they have seen early humans saw wildfires in the forest. They must have been afraid of them and saw that even animals were afraid of fire. And it is also possible that while striking 2 stones together, a spark was produced. As you see in this picture, a man holding 2 stones in his hand. And what they did, they rubbed both stones to produce fire. Now the next is uses of fire. Fire proved to be very useful for the early humans in the following ways. Now what are they? It provided light. As you see in this picture students, they have kept here one light on the entrance of the cave. Then it kept them warm. See in this picture, they burnt here the fire to keep them warm, and fire at the entrance of the cave kept away wild animals. They are keeping the fire in the entrance of the gate, so they are wild animals are afraid of them, and they did not enter to the cave. And here it was used for cooking food. See in this picture, early humans cooking food. Means Previously, they were eating the food raw. They hunted the animals and ate the food as a raw. But accidentally, like the discovery of fire, a piece of meat might have fallen into the fire and got roasted. And it might have tasted, and when they ate, it might have tasted better. So, from that time, they started cooking food. Now, the second invention was making of tools. Now, see students, this is the picture of the Paleolithic tools. Now, these tools were made of stone. They made hand axes, scrapers, wooden spears, which were used for hunting and gathering. They lived in caves, huts and skin tents. Now, I will show you one by one the picture of caves, huts and skin. As you know, students, that the early humans, where they lived in caves. Now see, this is the picture of a cave. Inside this, they were living. See, this is the picture of a hut. And see, students, this is the picture of a skin tents where they lived. Now the next is tools were used for. How the tools were used. First, chopping wood, branches, meat and fruits. Here one picture is there of chopping. In this way, they chop the wood, branches, meat and fruits. Now scraping wood and stones to make tools. Now scrapping. See, this is the picture of a scrapping. With the help of scrapping, only they make wood and stones. Next is hunting wild animals. See, in this picture you will see how the early man hunted animals. Now digging the ground, they dig the ground also with the help of stones. Now stitching animal skins to make clothes. Now see students, this is a picture of a cloth, how they made with the help of animal skins. Now the next topic is techniques of making tools. How they make tools. There were two techniques of making stone tools, that was stone on stone and pressure flaking. First is stone on stone. How they, see, this is the picture, how they make that stone tools. The stone of which the tool was to be made was held in one hand. Means one they will hold in, one stone they will hold in one hand, and in other hand they will keep the other stone, and that was used for striking the first stone to give it the desired shape as per the requirement. In this way they make the tools. Second technique was pressure flaking. This is the stone to be shaped was placed on a flat land. As you see in this picture, it was placed in a flat surface, and a stone sharpened at one end was placed on the first stone. See in this picture how they kept. Then another stone was used for striking the blunt surface of the second stone. See this. It was done till the first stone acquired the desired shape. As with the one stone, they shaped the other stone. In this way, this was the technique of making tools. Now students, go through these topics which I taught you today. After that, we will start the new chapter, Mesolithic Age.